In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Telegram private channel invite links not working. If you tap an invite link and it spins in your browser or just won't open the join screen, the quickest fix is to handle the link entirely inside Telegram. Start by finding the broken invite link wherever you saw it, maybe in your browser, email app, or another messenger. Press and hold on the link until you see the menu pop up, then choose Copy Link. This makes sure you've captured the full URL without any app trying to open it prematurely or rewriting it in the background. Next, open the Telegram app and head to your saved messages chat. It's your personal space in Telegram and works great as a safe clipboard that syncs across devices. If you don't see it on your main list, pull down to reveal search and type saved messages. Paste the link into saved messages and send it to yourself. This step moves the link into Telegram's environment. You'll notice it turns into a proper clickable bubble. That's exactly what we want because Telegram can now process it natively rather than handing it off to your web browser or another app that might block or mangle deep links. Now, tap that link directly inside the Save Messages chat. Telegram should immediately recognize it and show you the join prompt for the private channel or group. This bypasses your browser completely, which is helpful if a default browser setting, a content filter, or a tracking redirect was getting in the way. If it still doesn't open as expected, clear Telegram's local cache to rule out any corrupted temporary data. In Telegram, go to Settings, then Data and Storage, then Storage Usage, and tap Clear Entire Cache. Clearing the cache only removes temporary files stored on your device. It will not delete your chats or cloud media, but thumbnails and previously downloaded media may need to re-download when you view them again. This often refreshes how Telegram handles links and media previews. After clearing the cache, restart your phone. A quick reboot resets background processes, network stacks, and default app handlers that might be interfering with deep links. When your phone is back on, return to Telegram, open your saved messages, and tap the same invite link again. That's it. By copying the link, moving it into Telegram, tapping it there, clearing cache if needed, and finally restarting your phone, you let Telegram handle the invite with its native engine and avoid the common pitfalls of browsers and third-party apps. If the invite itself has expired or access is restricted by the channel owner, you'll need a fresh link, but for most cases, this workflow gets you straight to the join prompt.